I am going to try and make my Android start up in under 10 seconds. Is your phone taking forever to boot? We have all been there. Slow startup times are incredibly frustrating, especially when you are in a hurry to get things done. Over time, Android phones slow down because of too many background apps, system bloat, and accumulated junk files that consume resources. Even too many home screen widgets or apps set to launch its startup can significantly drag down your phone's boot performance. First, disable unnecessary startup apps. Go to Settings, then Apps, and toggle off any applications that do not need to run immediately. Next, clear your cache regularly by navigating to Settings, then Storage, and Internal Storage to remove those temporary system clogging files. Uninstall apps you no longer use. Go to the Play Store, find your installed list, and remove anything that is just taking up space. Finally, perform a soft reset to clear temporary data. Now, look at the difference, from 30 seconds down to just 10 seconds. Remember, to disable startup apps, clear your cache, uninstall unused software, and reset occasionally to keep your boot time lightning fast. If these tips helped your phone start faster, let me know in the comments. Subscribe for more and check out my battery optimization video.